So you want to make your Google Sheet into a template for others to copy. We need to do two things. One, we need to make sure that we share the sheet publicly or with those people that will be able to copy it. We just select anyone with the link, click done. Now anyone with a link to this sheet can copy it, but the link looks like this. It's going to have your docs.google.com/spreadsheet/d, and then it's going to have an ID. This ID is very unique. It's unique to this spreadsheet file only. And anything after that, right now, it's going to be /edit and then some stuff. Delete that. And all you have to do is add at the end /template/preview. Now this link, if I open it, will look like this. You'll be able to see the sheet. Up in the top right corner, you can see use template. This is really, really cool because now I can make a copy of this just by clicking use template. But not only me, others. And they don't have to go to the sheet, file, make a copy, and do that. They can just go to the link that you've provided and click use template. That's it. That's how you make your Google Sheet a template for others to copy. However, if you're trying to sell your sheets, check out Only Sheets by Better Sheets. It's a paywall for your Google Sheets, protects all your sheets from being copied by people who haven't bought your sheet yet. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.